We started Kittyhawk in 2014 because we love to fly and believed that the future of flight was going to be all about software, or could unlock the true potential of drones.
From day one, we've been focused on creating products and solutions that make flying safer and more valuable.
Today, we've done over 1 million flights, and our technology powers drone programs for companies like Shell and Travelers.
Kittyhawk is a place of aviation inspiration, and we're always reminded of that, whether it's rebuilding the Before You Fly app, providing LAANC, or breaking new ground on remote ID.
Air control is the next evolution of Kittyhawk. Enterprise customers want security, control, and live functionality. They want to see their fleet all in one place and take action.
Aviation is changing in a big way. Drones are just one part of that. Wherever it goes, that's where we'll be.